This is an advisor tutorial on presenting the results of predictive models after the model is already run. By the end of the tutorial, you'll be able to present model results in an easy-to-digest format. The concepts you will learn in this video are calculating percentile and bidding in the expression builder. The advisor products we'll use is AnalystX. Let's start with a basic model that I ran yesterday. In this model, I'm trying to figure out who are the likeliest responders to my gold bundle campaign, based on historical best responders. I put a bunch of factors in here. The ones that came out on top are Western region customers, what customer segment they're in, whether or not they have a commercial mortgage or not, what industry they're in, whether they have a gold and platinum credit card, and so on. First, I'm going to create a new page where I'm going to display the scores that each of my customers received in the model. I've already created a page just to save time. Now, let's start by calculating percentile. We probably want a view that is a little bit more easy to digest for our end users. Gonna head into the expression builder, and first calculation I'm going to make is the rank of our score. So the rank is going to give you what the score is for that row is ranked when compared to the rest of the table. So in order to do this, we can just type rank. We can head into the customers table, grab the score, and then hit evaluate. Looks like we got a score. This first one here is 2200, and one that's a little bit smaller is going to be at 1800. That looks good. Now, let's display the rank. Now, from our rank calculation, we can calculate percentiles. The percentile will assign the row of value from 1 to 100, depending on how it compares to the rest of the table. 1 will be the highest score, and 0 will be the lowest score. Let's head back into the expression builder for this. All right, the syntax here is pretty simple. What we're going to need to do is we're going to need to take our rank, and I'm actually going to head back into the table. Here's our rank of the score, and then we want to divide that of the max score, which is 100. Oops, got 2 of them there. All right, and now we're missing one last thing. We need to turn the rank into an integer so there's no decimal places, and then we need to divide it by 100. Okay, now it's ready to go. Good. Looks like we've calculated some good percentiles. And we probably want to trim off a couple of those decimals here. Evaluate, and let's check out our percentile by adding it to the data sheet. All right. We got 0 all the way up to 100. Perfect. Now the last thing to do is to group those percentiles into some easy to understand buckets or bins. So we'll probably want a highest all the way down to a lowest, and make it really easy for our end users to just select the top highest and then the least likely. To do that, I'm just going to go right back into the expression builder and make some simple bins. I'll call this score bins. Now we're going to have a series of if-then statements to bucket. We'll need to start at the 95 percentile and then move down to the lowest percentiles. This is really simple. Just go back into the customers table, grab the percentile, and start on. So we'll say if score percentile is greater or equal to 95%, then let's put that in our highest bucket. Else, if our score percentile is greater or equal to 85, then be high. Else, Now let's just reduce some manual work and copy these 2 lines and just fill in the details. So we'll have 75 here, which will be the medium. We'll have 50 here, which will be low. Oh, forgot a period. Otherwise, if the score is greater or equal to 0, then E, lowest, else, missing. Let's go ahead and evaluate, and it looks like we did a pretty good job. We have 23 as low, lowest. We have 50 as low. Let's try to find a high. Looks like we'll have to press OK and stick this into our chart to see the whole thing. All right, looks like this is working because our 100% or percentiles are highest. And then let's check out maybe a medium. We get 77%, which is a medium. That's correct as well. All right, I think we're ready to put this in a bar chart. So to do that, all we have to do, this is our last step actually, is add a simple bar chart, or 2. Grab the bins, and then just kind of rearrange the page. Do a little sorting. Sort by label. We got high, high, highest, high, medium, low, and lowest. That's actually a pretty good distribution. Maybe we'll put some weights on there. All right, so now we have it. Now, as an author, you can pick out your own cutoff points for the bins, but since our score is skewed in this case, because most people are going to have a very low score or a lower likelihood of responding to our campaign, we just picked out the cut points for the top 5 percentile, the next 10, the next 10 after that, the next 25, and then the bottom 50. In summary, in this video, we showed you how to present model results. See you next time.